Hey guys, this is Nikki B and Sasha's RV Adventures. There's some things that I wanted to show you that I've had for a little bit, but I've never had the time to really do the video, so I'm going to do it real quickly. I got this, it's like, to me, it's like an outside grill without starting the fire. You know what I mean? It's made by Presto. But let me turn around and let me show you what I'm talking about. It's a good gadget to have, whether you're in a tent, whether you're in a fifth wheel, so like you don't get the inside of your stove all greasy and everything just goes, you have massive cleaning to do afterwards. So let me show you what I'm talking about here. Hold on. Okay. So the name of this thing is called Presto, and it's my outside grill that I use, and I use this for, I fry these up, and then I freeze them, so I can make egg muffins in the morning, or egg sausage in the morning, whatever I feel like cooking at the time. So it's a pretty big grill. It goes up to 400 degrees. And any tent holder or camper or anything like that can use it. I use it that way I don't get my walls and my fifth wheel all greased up and messed up. But that's what it is. It's a Presto. And I cook my sausage. And by the way, this is Nikki B and Sasha RV Adventures. And as you can see, Sasha's out this morning, roaming around, sitting in I don't know what. Come on, let's go. You've been wandering that tree for like a minute now. Yeah. Up. There she goes. Okay. So I got sausage cooking, her walking. Can you watch the sausage? And she's walking around. She decided, Mama's outside cooking, I'm going with her. So, come on, Mama's cooking. Where are you going? Let's do this if we're going to do it. Oh, doggies. You got doggies. Let's walk this way. No, not that way. This way. Nope, you need to come back this way. Come on. No, don't try to get out of it. I see how you're snuggling out. See, she's not scared of dogs. See, she be going towards them because she wants to know what they are. She doesn't know. Here's them. Or she don't know. She's like, but Mom, he's calling me. Does he want to be my friend? Or does he want to eat me? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Up. Something scared her, and off she goes. When she gets spooked like that, that's what I mean by her being spooky. Dropped one over, and I also like the aluminum foil in case you lose one. So other than that, I really like this jacket. It's really good. I've had it for quite a while now. But being that I found out, my husband likes these sausage and cheese. It's easier for me to fry up some good old Johnson's meat or sausage patty. And then freeze them all up. And he takes them out in the morning and he's done with them. But there you go. That's what it's called. And I think it's a fryer. And it even comes with, look, check this out, an oil pan. So, that's really good. It makes everything a lot easier to clean. Just put it down in the oil pan. So you guys, this is Nikki B and Sasha's RV Adventures. I have some other gadgets that I'm going to add to this video that I think that are helpful for people who live in a tent, people who even live in a vehicle, people who are just RVing, and there's some, things that I can show you. But anyways, you guys have a great day. And once again, this is Nikki B and Sasha Baby RV Adventures.